Now
Max
I'm gonna do
speech.
something and you have to say stop when it's acceptable, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just say stop when it's acceptable.
Yes.
Go.
Me peame mõtlema ette, milline piisavalt pikk, oota. Nii
oota, ei, ma tahan seda full nagu.
No.
mulle see mingi terve see 5
Are you
meeldib, mis ta
sure?
suunab.
Stop!
I'm praying for you. I'm praying for you. I hope you can walk after this, cause like I hope you even like survive. Like I don't think you're
Vittu,
gonna.
aga. Noor, that going to survive.
Yeah, long. That's a
Bro.
long day. That's hard work.
Yes, this is really hard work, Noor.
That's hard work.